9:30 on July
9:30.
6th.
I'm late.
You're late for what? Oh. Well, your bed looks awfully comfy.
This bed is terrible. I don't know why they don't make a place for husbands ever to sleep. This is not even acceptable.
No. So he does have that reclining chair, but it's just as bad. We were talking about earlier how out of all of the places in the hospital, or all the like little sections of the hospital, you would think that the postpartum rooms, they would make an exception and make a tiny bit bigger and put some sort of pull-out bed or something for the husband. There's always going to be, or not always, but there's most likely going to be a significant other who needs a comfy spot. I mean, we're up and hardly getting any sleep anyways as it is, and then to have to sleep literally on a hard windowsill is terrible.
I'm going to Chick-fil-A.
So he's going to go to Chick-fil-A.
For you, love.
Yes, thank you.
You need
Do
any?
you want any of this before they take it away? Turkey
No, that's
sausage.
slimy.
Yeah, that's what I
That
said.
is slimy. I didn't like it.
Normally I would have tried it, but it didn't look good. Plus it was sitting there for like an hour before I could eat it.
Alright, I'll be back.
Okay,
Oh, I almost forgot to eat it.
the keys are right here. Anyways, a little update on last night. It went well, I guess.
You want these?
No. We were up. First, I was feeding her every 2 hours, and then I changed it to every 3 hours because I was having to wake her up, and I feel like she wasn't even wanting to eat. So after I changed it every 3 hours, we were doing pretty good. But still, by the time I would finish feeding her, go to the bathroom, change her, swallow her back up, get her back to go to sleep, and then try to get myself to go to sleep, somebody would come in, either have to check me or check her, or, you know, do whatever. So it was like hardly got any sleep, which if you've had a baby, you know that's how it goes anyways. So I got the vlog up, surprisingly, so I'm about to publish it here in a second, which is exciting. I think it turned out pretty good with the footage that we got, and so it'll definitely be something that we can look back and remember. And like, I don't really know the plan for the day. I know a lot of things have to happen with Piper. Oh, she got her bath last night around midnight, finally, like her first real bath, so that was good. And today Chris is going to get our boat that we bought, which is exciting as well. And they're gonna come in and do all of Piper's 24-hour vital stuff, like the hearing test and all that. They're gonna do that around noon, and then once Chris is done getting the boat, we get to go home today. So as long as nothing crazy happens in the meantime. I'm gonna finish the vlog, and then I'm probably gonna relax for a little bit before I have to feed Piper again. But I know you guys are wanting to see Piper. You're probably like, stop talking, Jennifer, and just show me this cute baby. Her bruising has gone away, thankfully, so she's looking lots better today. But here she is. Sweet girl. I literally just put that onesie on her like an hour ago, and that's the first time she's worn clothes. She's just kind of been swaddled up before. But anyways, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Look at Daddy and Piper. Oh, she looks nice and comfy. Is she warm?
First time I've really held her.
Yeah, he held her for like a second yesterday, and then we were just busy. Yeah, and she was really dirty. Well, not really dirty, but he wanted to wait till she got her bath to do like skin to skin, and they didn't do that till like midnight last night, and then we were sleeping, trying to sleep. This is the first time Daddy's holding her. She looks really comfortable. I am going to attempt to wash my face and get cleaned up for the day before Daddy has to leave to go get the boat. And then the lactation consultant is going to come in and help me a little bit. So that's what we're doing. The vlog from yesterday went up and we're getting nice comments and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Headed home, yay! Woo! I didn't get to vlog any of us putting Piper in her car seat or anything because we kind of just got like booted out a little bit. Well, we were waiting a little bit too, but Chris took all of our stuff down and he had my camera in the purse, and then I had to wait for the wheelchair, and then the wheelchair was taking a long time, so then Chris came back up with the car seat. You get the point. And then we were blocking someone's way around us, so I couldn't vlog after I got the camera. But I'll show you how cute she looks in her little car seat when we get home.
She's too little for a car seat.
Yeah, she's tiny. I can't believe how little she looks in that car seat. But everything checked out good. My doctor came by, checked me. The pediatrician came by and checked Piper. We have another pediatrician appointment tomorrow. I don't know why they do that back to back, but and we are already in our neighborhood, and I'm excited to see Jane and Jackson. I think Jackson will probably be up from his nap by the time we get there. And Chris is gonna go get his boat. I feel like I said that last time I talked to you guys.
I mean, I'm still not entirely 100% sure. I'm still waiting on
Well,
paperwork.
hopefully
I'd be really disappointed if I don't
This is
have
what happens when you do like a Craigslist transaction or like a person to person.
It's not really.
There's like a lot of work to do with the banks.
Yeah, because I mean, neither of us know. We kind of know what we're doing, but none of us do it like professionally. So it's like.
Or you don't do it all the time.
Around.
Yeah.
Like, oh, gotta do that now.
Now we gotta do this. Now we gotta do that. So hopefully we'll get it today. We'll show you guys, and just plan on relaxing for the rest of the evening as a family of 5 with Mimi and Papa. But I'm excited. I'm excited to hear River to see her. What do you think he's gonna do?
I think he's.
You didn't bring a blanket or anything to let him sniff.
No. Baby number 3 gets no love. Cut corners.
Yeah. He'll do fine, but he might be excited to see us. It was a short, we were there for 24, 25, 26, 27 hours.
Is that normally, were we there longer last time? I feel like we were.
Well, we were there longer, but after we had her, after she's born, so she was born at 12:30, we had to stay at least till 12:30 today.
I feel like in Austin,
it's 3:30.
We were there for like 3 days.
It's because it was my first baby, and they usually make you wait, like make sure you're doing breastfeeding right, all that stuff. Plus, they kept saying how much of a rock star I was, so.
Who?
The doctors. Yeah.
You are a rock star, babe.
I try. I'm just kidding. It's
like
my body. I don't know.
Richards of birthing.
My body just does what it needs to do, I guess. It doesn't give me, knock on wood, doesn't give me any complications. So.
Like the Bruno Mars of babies.
What does that mean?
You're a rock star.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Piper's doing good so far in her seat. She's not making any noise.
PJ Bean.
Yep. Well, we're still missing Jackson's car seat, but there she is. I don't think you guys can see her that good, but.
I better text my.
Cattywampus.
Oh, cattywampus, huh? Let's get out of here. It's hot.
All right, we're home. Hi, buddy.
Mom!
Hi, Jane.
We're checking this out.
River, look. Look who's over here. He's sniffing me. I knew he would sniff me. Look.
Careful, careful, careful.
Who's that, Jane? Are you ready for her to be home?
He lost interest already.
Yeah.
Mom,
What?
Annie would have been all.
Yeah. Oh.
is she about to wake up?
Yeah, I can wake her up for you. Mommy has to feed her too, okay? She's hungry.
She's hungry. What kind of eyes she has?
What kind of eyes? Blue, like you? Hang on, I want to show Jackson Piper's home, okay? Jackson, come here, look. Who's this? Can you say baby? Jackson, say baby.
Well, you're really surprised, Mom. Can you hold me?
He just woke up, I assume.
Mom, you having another baby?
No.
Then why is your tummy so big?
It has to shrink down a little bit long.
Easy there, kiddo.
No, this is the last one. You want me to take her out? What do you think, buddy?
I can't see up there.
Come here.
How about that?
No, that's not great.
It's not great.
It's not great. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Wow.
Jackson, say baby. Baby. He said, take this thing off of her. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. We had some pizza for dinner and we've kind of just been hanging out. I am exhausted. I know Chris is exhausted. Jackson's in bed and Jane and Mimi and Papa are upstairs. And here is Daddy and Piper. She has been so much more relaxed here. At the hospital, she was a little bit fussy and cranky, and I think it was mainly because she kept getting like poked and prodded and nobody would leave her alone really. Jackson is obsessed with her. I'll have to show you guys tomorrow on the vlog and get some footage. But we, I wish we could have shown you guys the little welcome set up at our front door, but I didn't want to show our address, number one. But number two, this had fallen off, but look how cute. This was on the door. 20 inches, 8 pounds. And then there was like a little banner, and then this balloon was out there. Sorry, I'm walking slow. So that was out there. It was really, really cute. So thank you, Mimi and Jane, for doing that. But anyways, I'm gonna sit down right now, hang out with Chris. I gotta feed Piper again around 10. It's 8:30, so we'll probably just hang out until then and then go to bed. But I hope you guys liked today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.